Hey guys, been working on this today, so got it all up and running. These are secured down, everything's secured. Man, we are ready to start wiring everything. So I'm going to start doing that. I'm going to hold off on that probably tomorrow, unless I go to town tomorrow. We'll see. Got to hook up the motherboard and everything. So yeah, this little baby, she's getting really close to being fired up. Got 6 RX 480s in there. This is going to be quite awesome, with these 3 high velocity fans in front that will push air, nice cool air through these cards and out the back. So it should be really nice, and it's got a filter inside here, so it'll filter dust and hair and other things, keep it from gumming this up as bad. It's gonna be great. I can't wait to have this running. So, and I'm probably gonna be running SimpleMining.net software on it. Man, they've really done some upgrades, quite awesome from what I'm seeing. So, and see, I got these risers are all set here. I'll take this one off, this screw off, and show you. And here we go. The riser is secured to the board down there, can't move. So yeah, it's nice. So they're all set like that, can't move. Man, I cannot wait to get this going. It's gonna be awesome. Should be working real nice. I'm gonna set up all my rigs exactly like this. So anyway, that's it for now. I'll do another video when I get a chance.